Expert groups is an important part of Professor Elliot Aronson's Jigsaw Classroom. The method is described at jigsaw.org. Number 1. Divide a lesson into segments with each member of a jigsaw group independently reading a different segment while physically in the same group. Select the most capable member to lead usually 5 to 6 members' segments. Number 2. After members read over their material twice, jigsaw groups break up with members studying the same segment joining together in expert groups. Expert group members discuss the main points of their segment, assembling and rehearsing a presentation that each will give after returning to their jigsaw group. Number 3. Members rejoin jigsaw groups and give their segment presentations. Number 4. The presentations prepare members for a class quiz on the full lesson. My expert and jigsaw group variation. This variation offers more efficient use of class time by encouraging reading and grading outside of class. This is more appropriate in higher education than K-12, where students have more understanding, discipline, and value for completing reading and assignments outside of class than dedicating class time to ensure reading and assessment is completed. The instructor has the whole class attention during the lecture or presentation critique. Electronic sharing and record of group work within members is encouraged, including possibility of instructor feedback or grading later. It also has a system to better organize and promote more exchange of information and diverse interactions in subsequent class sessions regardless of the topic. Students independently read before class, where the instructor may lecture, organize, and present topics before and/or after group discussion. This uses class time more for member interaction to refine and express understanding of the topic than for reading or quiz assessment. Initially, divide students into expert groups of separate topics where they discuss and organize their topic, written by the group secretary, to later present to the class with possible immediate instructor critique or submit for later grading. A number system can organize and inform students what topic, table, and chair they have to start. Example, topic 2, table 2, chair 0 equals code 220. All numbering follows a clockwise pattern around the room. The number for topic and table begins as the same, but if number of tables is greater than topics, topic numbering repeats the same order for those tables. Expansion of this allows systematically different combinations of members at tables for each class session, using their chair number in clockwise direction to indicate how many tables away where they will move for their standard movement in the first class session, standard movement plus 1 table for the next class session, movement plus 2 tables for the following session, and so on. This is an exciting way to promote cooperative yet diverse interactions between students. Expert groups can be conducted physically in small groups at tables in a room or by video conference in virtual small group rooms. This presentation and rule-driven diagram will help people understand what topic number they will discuss in their initial small group, and which small group table or room they will move to next, and present their understanding of their previous discussion by order of topic numbers. All persons first learn the topics by prior reading of assigned chapters and/or listening to the instructor lecture. The instructor announces the time limits for both discussion and later presentation within small groups. The instructor assigns a numbered topic and member as secretary to take notes for presentation, distribution, or submission later while the other members discuss the numbered topic within the small group. Members collaborate in their expert first group to prepare for their oral presentation in their Jigsaw second group and help the secretary write the topic report that will be orally delivered to class. The report may be critiqued in class or after the written report is submitted to the instructor for a group grade. The secretary may also share a picture or file of the report with members to prepare for upcoming exams. After the instructor stops discussion, all group members except the secretary move to another small group by rule-driven direction or virtual invitation. After the instructor stops discussion, all group members except the secretary move to another small group by rule-driven direction or virtual invitation. They present the topic they learned to their second small group by order of topic number. Round 1 of discussion begins. Topic number 1 begins discussion at table 1 and 5. Topic number 2 begins discussion at table 2 and 6. Topic number 3 begins discussion at table 3 and 7. Topic number 4 begins discussion at table 4 and 8. Examining movement by chair. Secretary in chair 0 remains at table while members in chair 1, 2, and 3 move clockwise that respective number of tables into the same numbered chair and share different topics they learned in their expert group from their original table. Movement begins. Secretary of table discussion minutes in chair 0 doesn't move. Person at chair 1 moves one table over to chair 1. Person at chair 2 moves 2 tables over to chair 2. Person at chair 3 moves 3 tables over to chair 3. Round 2 of discussions begin. Topic number 1 begins discussion at tables. Topic number 2 begins discussion at tables. Topic number 3 begins discussion at tables. Topic 4 begins discussion at tables. You will hear and exchange all topics, one topic with all other members at your expert groups table, and remaining topics after one movement with members from different tables, provided the number of topics is not greater than table members, or twice that if each member shares a pair of topics. The secretary at chair 0 doesn't move because other table members move to that table. The diagram below shows how 4 topics can be covered in pairs of tables. Topic 1 for tables 1 and 5, Topic 2 for tables 2 and 6, Topic 3 for tables 3 and 7, and Topic 4 for tables 4 and 8. Alternatively, 8 topics can be covered by pairs assigned to tables. Topics 1 and 5 for table 1 and 5, Topics 2 and 6 for tables 2 and 6, Topics 3 and 7 for tables 3 and 7, and Topics 4 and 8 for tables 4 and 8. If 8 topics were assigned 1 per table instead of pairing them, it would require 7 movements instead of 1 movement to exchange all topics, resulting in wasted time and movement instead of simply longer discussions to cover a pair of topics before movement. If topics are spread twice through tables in class, like the 4 topics or 8 topics paired at tables below, increasing number of movements to match topics will result in members sharing some topics with both sides of the room, where topics were duplicated, thereby gaining different perspectives on the same topic and exposure to working with more class members. If people arrive late to the table share assignment but have learned the topics by prior reading of assigned chapters and/or hearing the entire topic in the instructor lecture, those people may sit where others were missing in the table assignment. If there are no missing assignments, there may be a co-presenter assigned to sit with the presenter, follow, and alternately present the topic together after movements between tables. If people are assigned to be co-presenters because they were extra to the number needed in table share assignment, late, or did not know the topic, the instructor may use discretion in giving full, partial, or no credit for their participation. An example of co-presenting in the diagram below represents 2 people arriving late, assigned to sit with the presenter, follow, and alternately present the topic together after movements between tables. Comparing main features for Jigsaw versus MyVariation teaching technique. Reading of topic for Jigsaw in the Jigsaw first group. For variation, before class. Instructor's lecture on topic for Jigsaw, no. For variation, maybe. Where and how is the presentation report prepared? For Jigsaw, in the expert second group by collaboration among members. For variation, in the expert first group by members collaborating with Number 1, secretary writing the report. Number 2, other members preparing their oral presentation. Where is the presentation report delivered? Is it graded? For Jigsaw, in the Jigsaw group, each member presents after rejoining the first group. Ungraded preparation for graded class quiz. For variation, number 1, secretary presents orally to class, may be critiqued for group grade in class or after written report submitted for grading. May share a picture or file with members. Number 2, Jigsaw second group members orally present. Content graded by? For Jigsaw, in-class quiz. For variation, group grade on oral written report and student exam later. System of group division and interactions between students. For Jigsaw, assigns members to groups evenly and by topic. For variation, offers systematically diverse combination of members at tables for each class session. Jigsaw Classroom versus MyExpert and Jigsaw Variation. Jigsaw groups first lead members to read separate topic material independently 2 times before leaving the group. For MyVariation, students independently read before class where the instructor may lecture, organize, and present topics to a whole class before and/or after group discussion. In Jigsaw, members reform a second expert group of members who studied the same segment in their first Jigsaw group. Members discuss, organize, and rehearse the same topic to present on return to Jigsaw group. For my variation, students are first assigned into expert groups of separate topics, where they discuss and organize their topic into a report written by the group secretary. In Jigsaw, members rejoin Jigsaw groups, third group is the same as first, and give their segment presentations. Questions are encouraged. For my variation, members disband experts and form second Jigsaw groups to present their topic. Questions are also encouraged. In Jigsaw, class takes quiz on all topics of lesson. For my variation, a report is either presented to class with possible immediate instructor critique, grading, or submitted for later grading. In Jigsaw, topic is read, independently studied in Jigsaw group, practice in expert group, presented on return to Jigsaw group, and graded by class quiz. For my variation, topic is learned in reading before class and/or class lecture, discussed in expert group, presented for possible grade to class or instructor by expert group secretary. Movement begins. Secretaries remain at tables 1, 2, 3, and 4 to present their same numbered topics to members that arrive with different topics from other tables. Table 1 members at chairs 1, 2, and 3 bring topic 1 clockwise to 1, 2, and 3 tables away. Table 2 members at chairs 1, 2, and 3 bring topic 2 clockwise to 1, 2, and 3 tables away. Table 3 members at chairs 1, 2, and 3 bring topic 3 clockwise to 1, 2, and 3 tables away. Table 4 members at chairs 1, 2, and 3 bring topic 4 clockwise to 1, 2, and 3 tables away. Topic discussion begins. Topic discussion proceeds by order of topic number in a counterclockwise direction around each table. If each member had a pair of topics to present, 2 rounds of presentation could proceed around the table, 1 round for each topic a member has to present. Expert and Jigsaw groups provide interactive, efficient, and fast sharing of information.